So this is not my truck. Obviously, you've seen my truck already, but that is my boat, and I wanted to show everybody that. Now, the idea for the DIY bed rack is to get strut channel and attach them to these bed sides here and here. From there, we will take J-hooks into the stake pockets. That's a terrible color. And there, 3 and... Now the problem with this is that the front stake pockets are not cut out on the 5.5 foot bed. The rears are though. So we'll cut those open, and after we have all that done, we will grab more strut channel and run a short hoop, probably 3 hoops, across the truck. Looks good already. All right, let's take a look up here. I wrote down the dimensions too. So for this corner is 5 inches back, 2 1/4 inches off of this bedside rail, 2 3/4 to here, and then 1/2 inch get you to that. All right, let's see what's under here. First good sign is it went in.
Success.
More or less. A little heavy on this side and not quite on here, so I'd say this is more, probably closer to 3 to get to this. But I'll even it up. We'll just push this back another 1/4. It should be good. The side measurements were right on. That actual pocket's right at 3 inches start. So I'm about a 1/4 inch over. I'll just offset the rear one to do the same. My rear pocket is at 5 3/4. So 3 inches on the front, 5 3/4. Left to right off the bed rail was right on. But yeah, according to what I saw online, everything was shifted towards the cab another 1/4 inch. So yeah, it'll work. I guess for symmetricality, I'll go ahead and just mark it the same, 2 3/4, even though we think it's probably at 3 inch.
Sounds good.
All right. I don't know who I'm asking. Even though we know it's wrong, do it wrong the same way. And then... yeah, this one's shifted forward, or the pocket's rearward, so at least it's consistent on both sides, I guess. But 3 inches would have put it right on the edge. Okay, we're back in the ball game. Oh yeah, that might actually do it. I mean, yeah, it's gonna work. I still gotta figure out the front though. Come with me. So there's no structure down in there to hook onto. I mean, there's that, but that'd be a hell of an angle to get a bolt through there. So I tried these rubber swelling dealios, but they're a little loose in there and they won't swell up enough to grab. So I think I can use the plate from that to sort of pull up from the bottom. You'll see. They'll see. We're either going to need a third or to weld or bolt the center section together. It's wider than it is long. Kind of like me. That looks like the middle, right? Solid. Pop that in. Oh yeah, it was classy as hell. Look at that thing.
Nice.
The front will not look half as good, but these are okay. Alright, so the J-hook idea did not work. They were offset, they weren't centered in the stake pockets, so really it's just the top cap that was keeping them centered, and I was worried that eventually the rack might shift, so I abandoned it and going back to more of a almost like a drywall anchor, like a backing plate to pull up flush against the bottom of the stake pocket. I'll show you an example, but I think this might work better. Hey, did you open it or did you wait?
Wait.
You waited? Oh. Hey, fix your hat. Did you fix the truck?
Yes.
Good job.
I'm done with it. Push.
Oh, yeah, push. Good job. I think it'll fit.
I'll be hope.
I don't have enough hands here. Alright, well it's gonna go in there, but it's tight. Boom. Now we'll have to clean that up with a file, maybe roll some paint on it, but we'll put a
Capper.
The cap on. Alright, so that's one side roughed in. We'll have to tighten it up, but that's the idea at least. And then anything else we want to do, we can put crossbars, build up for a structure. You want to tighten it until you at least feel one tendon pop. That's how you know you've reached proper torque spec. Right there. Take a feel.
She's good.
Just saying that that's our mess, but not our garage.
We'll have our own garage again in a couple months. Couple weeks.
Yeah, well, probably based on our production schedule when you're watching this. Almost lost it. Second wrench.
Crank it.
Yeah, that's alright.
Nice.
All in $50 with hardware, and all shorter. We like these are just over 5 feet long, so they come in 10-foot lengths. Almost did it in one, but we'll have enough for cross bracing or something else with the scrap that we get. All right, on to the next one. Pretty good template.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Yeah, some of that.